Hi guys, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a decade. But anywho, welcome back, and yeah, I want to say thank you for the returning subscribers. I haven't been posting, but yeah, it is what it is. So today I decided to do a video and like, why not share it with you guys? Yeah. So welcome back for those who are new to this channel. My name is Sherry Channel, and yeah, in this video today I'll be showing you how to do your brows, in the simplest way possible. How beautiful is that? So stay tuned, give this video a thumbs up, or let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I'll be going through each and every one of them, kama kawaida, kama k, yeah, and also replying to each and every one of them. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So right about now, I'm showing you the things you'll need. Number one, you need an eye pencil. For this particular one, I have a lighter shade and a darker one, both in brown. Okay. Next, you need a flat brush like the one I'm showing you on the screen. Okay, I also have another flat brush here. It's kind of thick. I will use it to clean off my eyebrow. All right. Next, you need a concealer, and for this particular video, I'll be using Pro Concealer. Next, you will need an eyebrow comb to comb through your brows. Alternatively, you can use a toothbrush. Yeah, it still works. So the first thing you have to do is comb through your eyebrows like that. Comb also on the other brow. Just softly, be gentle on your skin, be gentle on your brows. Right, so take your, I'm using two eye pencil for this particular case because this particular one is very light, so I'll just use it for drawing an outline, then fill it slightly with it, and then come in with the darker shade. So as you can see in the video, the trick to having a perfect brow is raise your brow while drawing so that you can have the perfect arc. You see, when you raise your brow like that, it indicates the point where the arc should be. So raise it as you draw the outline, just like that, and be gentle. As you can see, the point where I'm holding the eye pencil is almost at the end, and be gentle on it, and just, yeah, something like that. Perfect. So fill in slightly, very slightly, fill in slowly, and remember, don't fill in at the front. As you can see at the front, I'm leaving some space at the front because we want to make this eyebrow look as natural as possible. So fill in slightly. As you can see, it's perfectly done. And now I'm going to go with the darker shade eye pencil, all right. So I'm also just going to shade it lightly because I don't want my eyebrows to look so dark. Then at the front, you can see I'm really trying to avoid that part. See, don't fill that point, no way. All right, so you just fill in lightly like that and make adjustment where necessary. So I think that eyebrow is done. As you can see, we are on the next eyebrow, and the trick again is to raise your brow so that you know where your arc is. If you raise your brow, it will be so much easier because the problem is always at the arc. So if you raise your brow, you will know where your normal arc should be, and in that way your eyebrow will be perfect. So we're just taking the form of our natural eyebrows, as you can see, and I'm going in lightly, very light and very gentle. You don't want to like have very dark brown eyebrows or something. Okay, so you're just going in lightly like that and then fill in. Be gentle. Remember, we're not shading at the front of your eyebrows. So the second part, I'm going with the darker eye pencil to just make it a little bit dark but not that dark. All right, according to your preference anyways. Yeah, so I think we're done with both sides, and now we're going to the cleaning. So before we clean, we'll need this trick. By the way, you need a bar soap. As you can see, I've smeared a bar soap on the eyebrow comb. I'm smearing because we want our eyebrows to stick and last throughout the day. okay, and also to make it look more natural. So you just take that and comb it through your eyebrows gently. Remember, you're combing through gently, so just comb in lightly like that, and at the front comb it in an upward motion. Perfect. So we're going to do the same for the other eyebrow too. Just be gentle and be very much careful so that you don't ruin your eyebrow. At the front, remember, we're combing in an upward motion. Perfect. So next you're going to now the cleaning. You need this is the point where we're going to use our concealer, and we're just going to smear it on the, how do you call that? How do you call that? Okay, you can put it anywhere, on your hands or somewhere. So just use that, and then we take the flat brush and smear it just like that. You don't put a lot of product on the brush, just as little, and not too little, but not too much. Okay, something like that. So at this point, again, raise your eyebrow. For you to have a perfect drawn eyebrow, you have to raise your eyebrow so that it will form a very beautiful shape, as you will see at the end of this video. So just go in slowly and lightly. As you can see, if you want to go in lightly, you have to hold your makeup brush or the flat brush almost at the tail, and you see there I'm supporting it on my cheeks. So this is what you're going to have, as you can see. And then remember to smear the product downwards so that when it comes to blending, it will be much more easier. So you're going to smear that excess product on your eyeshadow base like that, like so. Yeah, so that it will be very much easier when it comes to blending and cleaning off the excess products. Okay, and this is where the other brush will come in handy. So take your time. As you can see, it's coming out perfectly already. If you raise your brow, it's going to come out perfect. So we're taking the other brush and we're using it to clean off the excess product. Just blend. You can either blend it in if at all you're planning to apply eyeshadow, or you can just wipe it off like that. Okay, so just clean. We want a perfect eyebrow. Clean it off, clean the excess product. You don't want it to look like you have really drawn your eyebrows. All right, perfect. I think we're done with this particular brow. Just blend. Ensure you blend. Take your time. So we're going to the other eyebrow. We do this, repeat the same procedure. Smear it on that flat brush, then raise your eyebrow and be gentle and follow that particular outline that your raised brow is giving you, like this. All right, and be very much careful. Raise your brow. As you can see, if you raise it, you are really clearly seeing where the arc should be. All right, perfect, nice. So just raise your brow and it will be so easy, very easy. So remember, as you are doing this, to smear the excess product downward on your eyeshadow base. All right, like that, so that when it comes to blending again, it will be very much easy to blend in the product. So just take your time and be very much careful so that you don't mess your eyebrow. All right, I think we are done. So we just need to clean off that excess product, blend it in, blend. By the trick to having a perfect one is just blending in. You have to be patient and you have to blend in perfectly. Take your time. Perfect. So right about now, I'm cleaning off the excess product, both at the tail of my brow as well as the front. So I'll take my sponge, my makeup sponge, and blend it in perfectly so that the excess product cannot be like seen on your brow or the eyeshadow base. So blend it by tapping and tapping and tapping and tapping. Yes, so I think we are done with the bottom part of our eyebrow, and it's perfect, as you can see. The trick is to raise your brow. Always raise your brow, especially if you're a beginner and you want to have a perfect eyebrow. Raise your brow. So for this particular one, I'm going to use Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to use it to clean the upper part of my eyebrow. You won't use the same concealer you use to clean the bottom part, so you're going to use it to clean the upper part so that the blend can be so smooth and matches your skin tone. All right, so just smear it on the same flat brush I used, and I'm raising my brow. And for the upper part, begin at the tail, unless you're a pro of the tail, just like that. Okay, and raise your brow. Take your time and be very much careful so that you don't ruin the brow. As you can see, I'm taking my time and coming out perfectly, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm going to the front slowly by slowly. All right, as you can see, it's coming out perfectly, though we have not yet finished. So clean, 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 clean. Now we are focusing at the front, as you can see. Yes, I think it's perfect. Perfecto. It's perfect. So we're just going to blend in the excess foundation and tap. Don't smear it or to mess your eyebrow. Just tap and be as careful as possible if there's something like that. So tap it in, and as you can see, it has perfectly blended, or yeah, blended in my skin, and it's perfect. So we're going to the next eyebrow. The same procedure, your foundation on the flat brush, and then begin at the tail and raise your eyebrow. As you can see, I'm raising my eyebrow and beginning at the tail. For this particular one, I kind of messed, as you can see, but you're going to correct that. So raise your eyebrow and take your time. Okay, so then we move to the front. Be very much careful, by the way. You can end up messing your eyebrow and then you begin once again. So just be patient, take your time, and remember, practice makes perfect. Okay, so as you can see, the eyebrow is coming out. I love it. Honestly, I love it. I don't know how about you, but I love it. So I'm just trying to make adjustments. You have to compare both the brows so that I know it won't be easy for them like to look so much alike, but we try as much as possible to make them twin. Is it called twinning? All right, so as you can see, I'm just trying to make adjustment and clean it off. All right, as you can see, this other eyebrow is longer, so we have to adjust. But first, let us blend in that foundation so that it can blend into our skin perfectly. So now that we're done with the blending, we take this brush and clean the area between our eyebrows like that. We don't want the eyebrows to be marrying, to be meeting in between there. So clean it off, and yeah, it's done. So take your eye pencil once again. We're just making adjustments, guys. We are done with the eyebrow, but we're just making adjustments. So if you feel there's an area that needs to be adjusted, do it at this point. So as you can see, I'm really not focusing on the front part of my eyebrows. I don't want to mess that, and the main aim is to make this eyebrow look as natural as possible. Yes, and I love it. I love them honestly. So guys, this is our final look. I'm just going to finish the look by taking our beauty blender, the eyebrow brush, and comb through one more last time because we want the eyebrows to look perfect. Yeah, smear the bar soap on it and then comb through your eyebrows so that they can stay for a longer time, and also like give you that more natural look. So guys, this is our final look. And because you want the eyebrow to be perfect, I don't know, I love blending in, but just blend and make adjustments wherever you feel like there are issues, to be sure. So this is a perfect look and I love it, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment down below, and yeah, until next time, guys, bye, see you.